I had a vinyl sheet on the floor, and after removing the sheet, adhesive is not coming out easily. I tried to scrap it, but it is taking a lot of time to remove adhesive. For removing adhesive, I am using 747 plus adhesive remover. Pour the chemical on the floor. After pouring the chemical on the floor, I am using the brush and spreading it equally on the floor. And I will wait for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, and after that I will start to remove the adhesive. If you want to leave for a longer time, then try to cover with a plastic bag. Otherwise the chemical will be evaporate. After 25 minutes, I tried it again and now adhesive is coming off easily. If this video helped you, give a like to the video. Until the next video, goodbye.